Welcome to the Naseem's Accountants YouTube channel. Today we are discussing how do you add a tax to your business tax account. You can add more than 40 services to your business tax account. Here's how you add the 4 main ones. Corporation tax, self-assessment, pay for employers and VAT. This is the business tax account home page. Any services you add will appear here. For some services, HMRC will send you an activation PIN within 10 working days. Once you put the PIN in, you can start using the service. Let's start. Select Add a tax, duty or scheme. Select Corporation tax. Corporation tax on the following screen. Enter your 10-digit corporation tax unique taxpayer reference. Then enter either your company registration number, sent to you by Companies House, or the postcode of your registered office. If your company is not based in the UK, then select this option. To add self-assessment, you'll need your self-assessment unique taxpayer reference number. If you don't have it, you can't add this service at this time. Instead, you'll be directed to register for self-assessment. Once you receive your unique taxpayer reference letter, log back into your business tax account and enter your 10-digit taxpayer reference number here. Then select if you're an individual or sole trader, partnership, or trust. If you're an individual or sole trader, you'll be asked to enter your national insurance number. If you don't have it, you'll be asked for your postcode. Next, confirm your identity to get access to self-assessment right away. But don't worry if you can't do this, you can still request an activation PIN in the post. Pay for employers. To add pay for employers, select this option. If you have a pay reference number, enter it here, as well as the HMRC office number and your account's office reference number. If you don't have a pay reference number, you'll be directed to register as an employer. Once you've received your reference numbers, log back into your business tax account and add the details. And to add the VAT, select the type VAT of VAT service you want and enter your 9-digit VAT number. You're then asked to enter the date you became VAT registered and the UK postcode for where your business is registered for VAT. You'll also need to tell HMRC if you're currently submitting VAT returns, the total from your latest VAT return and the last month of your latest VAT accounting period. That's it. You can find more information about the business tax account on government.uk. Thanks for watching. Contact us now at 01217714161 for a free consultation with our expert accountants and take control of your finances today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest financial news and tips.